Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Ciara if you're new here. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. Oh, we're back. So I'm using the Masquerade palette from Juviasplace, going in with the nice little brown kind of cool tone shade. I'm not going to attempt the names of these because definitely not. Going into this colour and blending it into the crease, just to kind of disperse it nicely out. It kind of has a bit of a kind of brown and orange undertone, so really nice for blue eyes. So if you're like me, they're gonna pop. But using that just in the crease of the eye itself, just to kind of create that C shape along the outer edge of the eye, kind of making it into, keeping it more so along the inner and outer corner. That's where I'm going to build up most of the product for this look. So doing it both on each side, and as you can see, I'm kind of bringing it more so into the inner corner itself, just to make sure that you're getting all the kind of darker colors. The lid of the eye is going to be kind of your star focal point of the eye itself today, as you could probably see by the cover photo or the thumbnail that I provided. You'll be able to see exactly what it looks like, but I just love the pop of colour you'll see when I put down the orange shade on the eye. So I've blended this out nicely just to make sure that it looks nice and seamless. As you can see, I'm having a great time here. I'm going next into this dark kind of warmer browny orangey shade. Well, it's kind of more of a browny shade. It's kind of that deeper kind of brown, and bringing this into the crease, as I said, keeping it more so on the inner corner and outer corner, just to make sure that, as I said, you're building both of those products on those areas, because you just want it to kind of focus. It's basically a halo eye that you're creating here, but an easier version, because we don't really have time for the whole cutting of the, now I do love that as well, but this is the kind of easier look rather than that. But going into this cool tone brown now, just to kind of deepen up the outer and inner corner as well, and making sure that you're kind of getting a better depth of colour itself, because obviously if you just left it at the orange, it still would be lovely if you put like a lighter shade on the lid space, but we're kind of deepening it up a little bit just to kind of give the eye a bit of pop at the moment. So next, as you can see, I'm going in with this nice orange shade. As I said, this is kind of like your main star focal point. It's such a vibrant orange colour. I think I probably would have rather have put this on with my finger instead of the brush, just because I think it might have gave a better kind of colour payoff itself. But we obviously went in with the brush, so we can't really turn back. So using that and just kind of making sure it's kind of blended nicely into the outer and inner corner, giving the bigger blending brush a nice little blend over top. Going in with this nice shimmery shade, kind of giving that look of kind of like a wet glossy look on the eye, and that kind of more high fashion look, without obviously putting the gloss on top of the eye itself. But I just thought this kind of made a pop, like the smallest little bit of shimmer kind of gave it that wet look on top of it, and made it look like you had like an orange shimmer over top of your eye. So I really like that. I like that little touch that I did on top of it, so that was a good shout. As you can see, I'm bringing all the colours that I basically used on my lid space, so all the matte shades, use them all, bring them all from light, from the very first shade to the very last shade that I used. Just use that on the under eye itself, and then popping some of my Malika and Khloe Kardashian, the Becca Cosmetics face palette, using the highlighter from that palette just to kind of highlight the inner corner, a little bit of the nose, and also the brow bone. I'm going into my Maybelline oh my god, I can't speak, Lash Sensation mascara, and just putting that a little bit over my eyelashes itself. I'm going in now with the one and only So Sue by SJ Lash Bible palette. So it was actually like basically just a lash bible of all the lashes that she brought out over the Christmas period. But I'm obsessed with these. These are the style bold, so they're just really, really nice. A little bit more tapered on the inner corner and kind of wisp out at the outer edge. So, and they're so easy to apply. Literally took like 2 seconds to put on the eye. So you're literally, if you're not good at putting on lashes, just make sure that you let the duo glue kind of set slightly, just to make sure that it goes a little bit tacky, so that when you're putting it down on the eye itself, that it's a lot easier and it's not slipping and sliding all over your eye. So as you can see, it took me a second just to fix it all up. Just finishing off now. As you can see, the look is complete with the lashes, and I hope you all enjoy, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all.